was in there asleep.
They're up under your tree?
Yes. He didn't know I was in there asleep.
Did you call the police?
Now I ain't gonna call no police. I'm finna whoop his ass.
No, call the police.
Nuh-uh. Ain't no calling no police. The dude up on my truck trying to steal something because he thought I wasn't here. I want y'all to look at this. I'm gonna beat the brakes off his ass. Fuck you doing? What you doing by my truck? Get from under the truck. Get from under the truck. Fuck it. Get from under my fucking truck. Bring your motherfucking ass here. Bring your ass here. Bring your ass here. Trying to call the police. Get the fuck out.
I ain't done nothing yet.
Fuck on my truck.
I ain't did nothing yet.
Get from under my truck. Call the police, baby. Call the police. I kill you, boy. I kill you, boy. I kill
You
you.
don't want to do that, man. You be going to prison, man. Ah, shit.
I don't care about no prison, boy. I've been there 16 years, motherfucker. You think I give a fuck? You think I give a fuck when I work for my shit? And you out here stealing?
You don't want to kill me.
Man, I don't give a fuck. You fucking with my shit.
Man,
You cutting on my
You don't
shit.
want to kill me, man.
You killing me. You fucking with my shit, boy.
I ain't did nothing yet.
I work for this shit, boy.
Damn it.
I work for this shit, boy. And you out here trying to steal my shit, and you gonna tell me about prison? Bitch, I don't care about no prison.
Fuck.
Care about no prison, boy. You ever steal
What
my
yo-
goddamn
what-
shit? Huh? I'll beat your ass.
You the law?
Put it down.
I put shit down.
Put it down.
Get the motherfucker trying to steal my shit.
Put it down.
All right, you come on. I ain't got nothing against you.
Put it down.
Well, get his ass then. Don't let him out of the truck.
I
I don't give a fuck. You'll steal my shit, bro.
wasn't stealing
You'll steal
shit.
shit from up there. You thought I wasn't here. I was
I
in that
wasn't
sleep.
stealing shit.
It's my building.
I ain't got nothing, man.
It's my building.
I ain't got
My
nothing.
building. I rent this shit.
Damn.
He thought I was asleep.
Fuck.
Up under my goddamn car.
Won't go nowhere. Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Damn. I wasn't stealing nothing.
What's this out your truck, man?
Look.
All day.
Hey, I'm pressing charges on
Louis,
you, man.
Louis.
Stop. You just
Louis.
hit him.
I don't give a fuck. He's stealing my shit.
Okay.
He's stealing my shit.
I told you to chill out.
All right, get your hands on me. I'm chilling.
Stop.
Get your hands on me. I'm chilling.
He's
You
been
want to chill?
I'm chilling.
Sit down.
He's been
Sit down. Sit
Up under my
down.
shit.
Sit.
I'm here, bro. You get him.
Sit
That's my shit.
down.
That's my shit. That's my shit. I work hard for this shit.
I understand that. Sit down.
I
I
was
work hard for my shit.
Sit
I'm not
down.
sitting nowhere. I'm out the way. Have a seat, man.